Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Shukla and I have been covering NIO for a while, and today I want to give you some of the update on what could be the expected news dates. Basically the stock price is nothing but it's a function of the new news coming up or new events announcements, positive or negative, and you must be aware of these dates, especially if you are a stock option trader or even a regular trader, and if you are a day trader or want to take you want to be aware that some fluctuations can happen around that date. So the today is 15th August, and we already have second quarter and the July delivery car sales number already announced, and the stock price at 13.10, it has already taken into account those news events. So the next, I mean, this does not cover anything that I do not know, or that could be something. There could be more news in addition to the news that I'm listing here. So the first one will be on September 1st. That's 15 days from now, 2 weeks from now. So the September 1st is going to be Tuesdays, and I'm expecting that on September 2nd they will be giving out the August car sale number, telling how much is the ES6 and ES8 car sold. And for that, we should have a very good guess for this. Uh, they had about 3,500 car sales in July, and that did not. They said that their factory was closed for 5 days to prepare their line for the newer EC6 model. That otherwise that could have be a little higher. And if I take into account that, and if I may assume that the car sale numbers are increasing continuously, and we can expect 4,000 car sales in August. So, and that could be positively received by the NIO stockholders or NIO buyers. And then the current price of 13.1 or whatever between now, it dropped between now and next week or 10 days, it could actually jump up based upon that car sale number. Or maybe the stock market also factors into it. Included into this is that their prediction of 11,000 to 11,500 prediction for Q3 in their Q2 result announcement. So if I take 3,500 out of this, their upper line of 11,500 prediction, then that leaves 8,000 number, and we should be fairly safe to assume that the August numbers are close to 4,000, or it could be a little lower than that. And the September car, and that brings us to their September car sale date, which will be about on October 2nd, which will be Friday, or it could be on October 5th, which will be on Monday. The September car sale number will include the sale number for EC6, their newer model, and that can become higher than 4,000. That's what I'm thinking about, and could go as high as 4,500, and that could be another news event that could trigger the stop high. Or if it does miss, for example, EC6 is a complete failure, they could not sell more than 100 cars of that, then that could be negatively affected. Now that brings us to the third potential news item, is that in September they will start delivery of their EC6 model, and that people will start reviewing it, and we can have some of those reviews coming in the car magazines or other places, and that could be trigger the stock price fluctuations. Then we will have, if you are looking a little farther into the options trading for a farther strike date, then you could look at the November first week. We will have an October sales data, and then we will have a November 15th, around November 10th 15th, they will have a third quarter of results. So those are some of the dates that you need to keep in mind. Also, we could see some AI related information, the autopilot equivalent of the Tesla related events, some their newer car sale. They have another model, I think EC7 or EC5. Though some of those model announcements can come much later during the year. And in addition to that, we may have some other news items that I do not know of, or you do not, maybe you also don't know, but that could happen, that could be in the pipeline. And there could be another set of events that nobody knows. It could be catastrophic events like COVID-19 or something like that, that could negatively affect the stock. So whatever information I will have, I will share with you. If you subscribe, you can get informed about those events and news. Thanks for taking a look.